In this video, I'm going to show you how to look at your past streams on Twitch. All you have to need, go to your Twitch and log into your account. Now click on your profile photo and go to Creator Dashboard. In Creator Dashboard, click on Content, select Video Producer. Here, you will see all your past broadcast, highlights and uploads. And here you can just play any videos by clicking on the video. Click on this play button and you'll be able to play the video. Also from here you can just go ahead and adjust your video title, description, language, category and tags. And if you want to delete any video, just click on this three dot and here you can delete the video, you can unpublish the video, you can export the video, you can download the video from here. And if you don't see older streams here, then all you have to need, go to settings, select stream. In here under VOD settings, you get this option, store past broadcast. So you must need to turn on this option to automatically save broadcast for up to 7 days, 14 days for affiliate, 16 days for partners, turbo and prime users. And now on, you will be able to easily check your past uploads here. Thanks for watching.